Now here are two small signal equivalent circuit models, the hybrid pi model and the T model. Both of these are equivalent, and this arises from the fact that R pi and Re are related to each other by an expression. The T model is sometimes preferred over the hybrid pi model in cases when a resistance is connected in series with one of the BJT's terminals. So employing the T model simply brings that resistance in series with Re. This simplifies our analysis considerably. Now take a note of these, as we are going to use them extensively in our analysis of popular BJT configurations. The hybrid pi model can be converted to the T model, and in the link in the instructor's notes, you can go to this particular lesson in the MOSFET module and learn how the hybrid pi model can be converted to the T model. Then you can derive the same for the BJT.